Hi. So I kept trying to come up with clever ideas for this intro video, like cheeky ways that I could show off my messy studio and make it impressive and funny, but it all felt hokey because I'm really not that great at this sort of thing. I know everybody says that, but I'm not. So I would like to just show you some of the stuff that I'm working on and tell you a little bit about it. And there's a lot. There's a lot of different things. I'm not the kind of person that can stay focused on one thing. I have to do like 5 things or 6 things or whatever. This particular piece is the first in a series of paintings that I've been working on. The whole project together is called The Little King, and it's an exploration of a lot of emotional issues in my life right now. Childhood memories, my experience as a father, the effort of trying to connect some of these deeper emotional themes in my art. It's an exploration, it's an experiment, but I love working on it. A lot of my work is digital, but I do a fair amount of traditional work as well. These are a series of paintings I did as part of a set inspired by traditional tattoo imagery. I've been a tattoo artist for nearly 25 years, so that has a bit of influence in some of the artwork that I do. I really love the occult and macabre flavorings, and I try and bring some of that in. I have lots of ideas and plans to make more images like this, as well as printing collections of stickers using these images. Who doesn't like stickers? I'm also in the research phase of starting paintings for a deck of tarot cards. That's my big project goal for 2021. The theme will be super intense warrior women. These are some recent paintings I did that got me thinking about the idea. I'm looking at a lot of female powerlifters and MMA fighters and water polo players for inspiration. So as well as being part of a larger tarot deck project, I see them having unique character backgrounds and stories as well. These could be collected into smaller projects like comics or small art books. Anyway, that's in the works, but I'm really excited about it. I also co-host a podcast. It's called Art Condition. We're almost 17 episodes in as of this recording. And it's directed at artists, and we focus mainly on topics of business and marketing and a lot of the mindset concerns that confront artists at all levels. My co-host and I, we want to learn that kind of stuff just as much as anyone. So we interview industry experts and freelance professionals so we can try and gain their wisdom. The episodes are recorded live every Sunday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on my Twitch channel, which is also a good place to see me working on all of these projects, art-related or otherwise, so you can join in and check it all out in real time. So, as you can see, there's a lot going on. My friend says that I have a disease called I wanna do it all-itis, and he's right. I'm plagued with too many good ideas and not enough time, or always trying to figure out what I should be working on next. But I tend to think of this as more of a feature than a bug. So please read more in the description below to find out more detail about all of these projects and all the great stuff that you can get here. Thanks for watching and have a great day.